Not complaining, but you can definitely tell the season's changing.
Changing,
Yes.
Especially when you get a cold front like yesterday's come through where it's drastically different.
And a little wind.
And a little wind in there as well. Today has been cooler, that's for sure. We only made it into the mid-60s, and tonight those cool conditions are definitely going to stick around. Here's a live look outside our 360 tower camera. We have clear skies for the time being, so through the evening hours, temperatures are going to fall pretty fast. Right now we're at 58 degrees. By 7 p.m. in just an hour, dropping down a couple degrees, and we're headed to the upper 40s and low 50s by 10 p.m. tonight. Around that time, though, we're going to start to see more cloud cover creeping in, so we're expecting overcast skies by early tomorrow morning. Now let's take a look at some temperatures across the area. Starting in the hill country, we have temperatures for the time being right now mainly upper 50s still. 57 in Llano, 60 in Johnson City, 54 degrees in Fredericksburg. Here in the metro area, we're looking at temperatures upper 50s, except for places like Lago Vista, 52 degrees there, but it's 58 in Taylor, 59 in Manor, 60 degrees currently in Buda. And along our eastern counties, those temperatures again still in the mid and upper 60s right now. Giddings 56 degrees, 60 currently in Luling. Again, temperatures though falling quickly as we go through the rest of the evening hours. Clear skies at Camp Mabry, 58 degrees there, mostly clear out of ABIA, 58 degrees out at the airport. And winds, they've been breezy through the afternoon. They've dropped a little bit now, between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Still out of the north-northeast though, so that cooler air is still working its way down into central Texas. You notice to our north, Dallas already at 53 degrees, 50 right now in Lubbock, and 45 at Amarillo. Temperatures to our south still milder, 60 in San Antonio, 59 currently in Houston. Now across the state, behind yesterday's cold front, skies are pretty clear, but we're going to see a change in our pattern where moisture is going to work its way back on top of that cooler air at the surface, and that's going to allow for cloud cover to increase as we go through the overnight hours tonight. So early on your Sunday morning, you're going to see mostly cloudy skies. With this, there's a possibility for some patchy drizzle, maybe some patchy light rain, not very widespread and pretty hit and miss throughout the afternoon hours, but there is a possibility where you could notice a few sprinkles from time to time. We're at about a 20% chance. As you notice, our model's not picking up really, though, any measurable rain. So we go through Monday early in the day, starting out again with some of that cloud cover, patchy drizzle hanging around. By the afternoon, though, some clearing will work its way here into central Texas. And the upper levels of the atmosphere, the reason why this is all happening is this trough of low pressure is dropping further south, giving us kind of that southwesterly flow over Texas in the upper levels of the atmosphere that'll overrun the northerly flow at the surface. By late Monday and Tuesday, though, that front works its way out. Wednesday, small chance for another reinforcing shot of cooler air working its way in, and then everything becomes a little bit more mild and clear as we go through the rest of your work week. Tonight, temperatures are going to be near freezing in the hill country. Less of a possibility for complete cloud cover tomorrow in the hill country. There could be kind of mostly cloudy skies, some sun peeking through from time to time. That will help temperatures, but tonight it will also help them become cold. You could hit 32 degrees in some of the low-lying areas. The rest of us will be in the upper 30s and low 40s across the board. Tomorrow, temperatures a little cooler than today just because of that cloud cover. You notice cloud cover is going to be thickest to our east, so Giddings, LaGrange staying in the upper 50s, metro area, low 60s, hill country, you could hit the mid 60s out there with a little bit more sun. Tonight in Austin, increasing clouds down to 44 here in town. Tomorrow afternoon with mostly cloudy skies, we'll see a high right around 60 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast. 20% chance for some light drizzle both Sunday and Monday. After that, afternoon temperatures climb a couple of degrees while our overnight temperatures stay on the chilly side.